Howdy everybody, Heather from Pickin here. Today's boxing I would describe as hodgepodge. So we've got lots of random things that have been coming in. We've been ordering from 8 at 8 lots and they ship really strange. They'll do like 1 or 2 boxes at a time, and then in 2 weeks you get in 1 or 2 boxes. We've also got this box that says red, white, and blue here from the store. So we definitely want to unbox this since summertime is coming, Memorial Day, 4th of July, all that kind of fun stuff. And then some other random things. I think we even found another Diamond Visions box which might have some toys in it. So, like I said, hodgepodge. Let's see what's inside. Alright, so we'll start with the one that we kind of sort of already know because it says red, white, and blue. And we're going to see what all we have here.
This is left over from the store for us.
So these
Boom.
Are red, white, and blue things.
Already priced.
For watching fireworks in 3D.
What?
I thought fireworks were in 3D. Okay, anyway.
Somebody made $1 million selling those.
Alright, so we're going to get all those out. What are these? Are these salt and pepper shakers? These are salt and pepper shakers. There's your stripes. There's your stars.
Beautiful.
So we got salt and pepper shakers. We have lots of salt and pepper shakers in the store right now. Really fun ones. Then we've got another serving platter.
Well, there was more in this box than I thought there was.
There is a lot. Oh, a bunch of flags. So, U.S. flags. So, 3 4x6-inch flags. What else we got in here? What is this?
It's for your bike.
These are bike streamers.
Let me see that. Look at that. Decorate your bike. You could decorate anything you really.
Stretchy things. You just hang them. You can put them on your door handles. You can put them on your bike. You can put them on anything.
Somebody was thinking though. Purchase the whole set.
Oh look.
Oh yeah.
Different ones. What are these? Is this a necklace? This is a necklace. Here's the question: does it work? I have the defunct one.
Could need batteries.
Yeah. I'll check and see if it needs batteries. I might just not be flipping a switch right. Alright. What is this?
Star Stripes cocktails.
Okay.
There you go, Heather.
Stars and Stripes scarves. Okay, I was going to put that one on.
Think of Vonnie when I think of scarves.
I know. We have a lady at church that she always wears different scarves. Okay, so we have all of this. Ooh. Land of the Free. Here's some more streamer things. What is this?
Ooh, that looks nice.
This is a flag banner.
Liberty. Really neat there.
Oh, here's a necklace for you.
Yeah, big star.
Yep.
You're a star, Heather.
Be a star. Okay. I think it lights up too. Alright, here's another.
Looks like they were all Target. This was $1. So we'll probably go like, what, 50 cents, you think?
Here's for the wheels on the spokes.
Yeah.
And they have little zip ties that come in there.
Boom.
Okay, that's the bottom of the box. We haven't got napkins. Summertime. Alright. I think that's it, right?
Beautiful.
Wait, we got these too. These are just cool. Like this is actually the banner thing, like the little.
Mm-hmm. I know it's made for bikes, but you could do it anywhere you wanted to.
You could use it outside for decoration, all sorts of stuff. All right, well, that's awesome. So now we have some red, white, and blue.
I found like 3 boxes. They're way up there at the top. They were labeled red, white, and blue. So
if we find any new stuff, we'll just store it on Hooked on Pickin.
Yeah.
So,
I bet you we could put a lot of this on Hooked on Pickin.
I think so. I think people would buy the star
stuff.
The
salt
and pepper shakers. That's what I was going with. Sorry. My brain went to need to find box cutter and then it shut off.
Don't worry. You're amazing. Okay. Look at this.
Have a great day. I am having a great day.
Somebody wrote us a little note.
That was nice.
That was nice of them, huh? That's whoever was shipping is having a good day.
They are having a good day.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. This is super popular in the store.
Yep.
We
were almost out in the store.
Unicorn Sparkly Poo.
We have had, like, what, 2 explode?
Yeah, but that's
rest are
only
fine.
2. Yeah. I thought there were some with, like, sparkles.
I honestly think finding an exploding unicorn would be even cooler.
Let's see the cute little face and gross poop.
There you go. Ooh, that made a nasty sound, too.
All right. What is this one? If you watched yesterday's video, you saw an injury happen.
I'm fine.
Paul's hand.
I'm a drama queen.
Some more rubber flashlights. These are really nice LED ones.
Yeah.
So pick your color. So we have yellow, pink, green, orange, purple, blue.
Those might have to go online. I think I'm low online.
Yes. We'll put those
Got
online.
some in the store right now.
What is this?
Flashlights seem to always sell.
An
That was
empty
just
box.
padding.
This is padding. Oh, nope. It was hiding a secret. 2 more of these.
2 more.
That's awesome.
Beautiful.
So they've been selling really good online.
Yeah, they have.
We're going to go ahead and just move this here.
And we're having a great day.
And have a great day.
That was really nice of
It
them.
was super nice. All right.
This, I think, is 888 lots.
Okay.
I think I've cracked their code of how to order from them now.
We haven't ordered in a long time from them. Oh, 42-piece tool kit.
Yeah, it
now,
is.
888 lots, they have these weird bundles, but you have to buy all of one thing. And you can, I think, is this one you negotiated for the price, or it was just a
I
good
think
set
all
price?
of it I either negotiated for. Let's see if I can get the box is good there. But this is Craftsman. It's good stuff.
Yeah.
Can you take it out of the plastic bag?
Sure.
And so he made a deal with, the owner there made a deal with Amazon. So now the stuff comes from Amazon. But, you know, we got a little cut on this box here, but who gives a rip about that, right? You want the tools.
So we'll probably put it on the fire sale because of the damage, right?
I don't know. I don't even know if you need to. As long as all the tools are fine. You want to open the case?
Sure.
Oh yeah, beautiful. Look at that. That's a nice little tool set, huh?
It is.
And Craftsman. It's not bad at all. Very cool. So what I'm trying to do is buy stuff that's maybe a little bit more expensive to put in the store or online.
Yeah.
But we'll see.
This is Fragile Handle with Care. KLM Products Group. This might be a Tundra order. We just got a bunch of boxes and decided let's just all open them all at once, and we have no idea what we're opening. Oh, these are our candy sticks.
Oh, it's a back order.
Yeah, they were sold out of some of the things
That makes
we
sense,
had
but
ordered.
this company does this. They'll throw in a couple of pieces of candy into each box. I think that's kind of clever.
For the customer to eat.
Yeah,
Do you want the red one or the yellow one?
Ooh.
Let me see,
I
cinnamon
let you pick
or
first.
pina colada. I don't know what a pina colada is.
I don't want to get
like.
drunk eating
No, you're
candy.
gonna get drunk on candy. All right, so this one is tangerine.
Ooh.
You know, that's one thing we don't have in the store.
We don't have the
we
sticks
don't have
in
the
here.
candy
We do
sticks in
not.
the store.
We could try to do that. Full-blown Branson shop. That's what we're going for in our candy.
Okay.
I want these to be like a quarter.
Oh, I had a viewer come in. Her and her husband and her son came in.
Yeah.
And so they came in to say hi. They were on their way to California. And so
That's a trip, man.
That's a trip.
If you're in Illinois and you're on your way to
It
California.
sounds like they do that all the time. So
That's awesome.
They like to see the forests and all that stuff. So they've done the redwood forest and all that stuff. This one is Choco Mint. Chocolate and mint. Does that taste like an Andes mint?
I don't know, but it's going to be amazing.
Okay. We've been lately just trying to open the boxes as soon as they come in. We got enough to deal with in this, with all our inventory here. Another Choco Mint.
Choco Mint.
Are they labeled on the outside?
They are.
I should probably read that.
Well, you know.
Let's just read this one. This one says lemon candy stick,
Yeah, you got
and clove. I want to see what color clove is.
clove.
Clove.
Why would I have ordered clothes? I may have ordered like one of each.
It does smell like clothes.
I think they may have had a little deal
Christmassy.
going.
Smells very Christmassy. Doesn't it smell Christmassy?
It smells almost cinnamony.
It does smell cinnamony.
Yeah. That's cool.
All right. I'm just gonna put these.
I want old-fashioned containers. Put the sticks in.
He wants to get those old, big giant mason jars.
It's gonna be
Put
amazing.
the sticks in and then display them all like an old-fashioned candy wall.
Total candy shop. Just everything is candy.
He's slowly getting there.
One day.
Yep. Okay.
This is 888 lots.
Is it? Okay.
Yep. Boom. Slip and slide, baby.
Ooh, we needed that.
Look at that. Play the slip and slide game, too. Look at that.
That's cool. So it's ages 5 to 12, 16 feet. Slip and slide. That's a nice thing. You got 3 of them.
The Wave Rider Double.
The Wave Rider Double.
Love it.
Okay. This one.
I think the majority of this can go online.
Oh, look. Wait. Would you like the Wave Rider Triple?
What?
We have the double and the triple.
Now, see, I didn't even know this was coming.
I think that... Is it labeled... Look.
Labeled wrong, maybe?
Labeled the same?
Look at the Amazon label. If they cover the Amazon label.
Yeah. My guess is you ordered the Wave Rider Double and you got a bonus.
Honestly, I ordered the slip and slide. That's all I saw. Slip and slide.
Nice.
But see, this says 16 feet. That also says 16 feet.
But it's 3 lanes, not 2.
My goodness.
Bonus.
Think of the fun.
The fun. All right, so we got all that. And then what is in this one? This one you think is an 888
I believe it's 888 lots also.
These are the traditional boxes I'm used to seeing from 888 lots.
Yeah.
Did I not?
So this came from 888 Warehouse. See, this came from Amazon through 888 lots.
So this came direct from Warehouse.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. Wild basil lime.
Boom.
We have a whole health and beauty section, so we generally don't put these on the hookedonpickin.com site.
They don't ship well.
They break and they make a mess.
And they get soap everywhere.
So we have a bunch of those. Look at how many.
Boom.
And then let's go ahead and open up this.
Make $1,000 in soap.
$1,000 in soap. Is that more soap?
Hey, look, more soap.
Okay, so that's what all of it is. Why one is in a box and one's loose, I don't know. Looks like they're all the wild basil line.
You want to give them a quick tour of what you've been doing today?
Sure,
Heather's been kicking butt the last couple days inside the store.
So this is all the stuff we unboxed earlier.
Yep.
That you've seen.
A lot of this is online.
Yep.
Online or overstock. It's our massive
stuff.
shipping station. Just glorious.
Still waiting on our goofy dumpster.
Still waiting. It's supposed to be delivered today.
Yeah. All right. So we've been kind of organizing. Let me show you the empty space that I just created. So we're going to be moving all the yoga mats that we have here. They're $5. We're going to mark them down to $2.50. And then they're all going to go here, easily seen, because people bypass them all the time up there.
Yeah, they do.
So that's the plan there, and kind of make an exercise section. Because this.
I love your painting. Heather painted that up there.
I did not. I'm going to take all the
paintings
off the wall because they drive me crazy. All right.
Okay, she didn't paint
Then
it.
we have...
yeah, I didn't even know that was here.
This was actually all the way back underneath there.
Yeah.
So I kind of cleared out everything underneath. Well, look, we have more of these.
I just found them.
So, do we have these online, or do we only do them on the fire sale?
I think we only did them on the fire sale.
Okay. So
because they're kind of a goofy thing to ship.
All right. Then we also did down here.
Here's our pet stuff.
We've got, this is kind of like all our scrunchies that we put here. And then we have all the health and beauty stuff has been added.
Boom,
so
boom,
now,
boom, boom, boom. Look at that.
Yeah, on this side is kind of where I added some health and beauty. This was all journals before.
Yep.
And so now we kind of combined all the health and beauty stuff. So this is going to be lotions, hand creams. We've got all of our like makeup bags and stuff. This is all the bath bombs. that we have. Now, these two are available online. Anything we have multiples of, we try to put online. Here's all our nail polish stuff. Here's all the glamour stuff. So we've got these glamour kits. Let us know in the comment section below if you would be interested in buying these. We have them at $19.99, so it's a hard case kit.
They're a massive kit.
Yeah, and it comes with nail polish, lip gloss, mascara, and all of this. I don't know how new the makeup is. I'll have to look, but the kit is really awesome for storing everything. So we have 5 of these. If you're interested in these, $19.99, let me know, and I'll just list them online. Then we've got like some eyeshadows and stuff. Here's our clips for these. These are also online.
Just got the clip strips.
Yep. And then we've got our soaps and stuff. So I combined some of the stuff that was previously here before with some of the stuff they had. And so that's all on there. And then I put all the hairbrushes out. You can find all these hairbrushes online as well.
Yep.
So, and you choose your color.
All of this stuff you can find online.
Yep. All of it you can find online. And then I'll show you the stationery section that I did.
Beautiful day too.
Yeah, it is.
Just got done raining. Yeah. Everything's green and lush.
So, we've been selling the candy bars like crazy here.
We don't have the rights to this song, but it's okay.
No, we don't. Oh, I forgot that was still on.
Don't worry. I think you're fine. I think you're fine, Heather.
All right. You tell them about the stationery and all
This
that.
is what Heather's been doing. This was all Easter-related stuff right here. All Easter-related things were right here. So we got the Easter done with. We had it out for basically 2 weekends after Easter. We did sales. We did sell quite a bit, but everything is boxed. That will be in the back.
Actually, Mama Hooks came over and
Yep.
worked the store. She boxed
My
the
mother
entire
kicked
row.
butt. She
Oh,
took her
wow.
time, but she got it done, and she actually got it done way quicker than I ever thought she would.
Yep.
And then
She would stop and rest sometimes.
if we had the time, when we think that one day we will, we think. We're probably wrong, but we think we will.
Yeah.
Once we get things set the way we want to in the store, is a lot of that Easter stuff, St. Patrick's Day stuff, Christmas stuff, just put it online year round and see maybe somebody's doing a craft and they need Easter eggs, you know?
So we hung up all the backpacks, and then we have all these journals and composition books. And some of these journals are really fun. You know, like, look at this one. This one, like, has, like, liquid in it.
I see great things.
Anyway, so we got all these journals and stuff. And then I added, like, some...
This is a T-Rex on a rocket. That's very important.
So if you're interested in any of these things, we can try to throw them on the fire sales, too.
Yeah. That's the easiest thing for us to do.
Move them. And then our front is kind of all summertime stuff, so we may put a couple of those slip and slides out and then make the rest available.
This was all
online.
Easter.
This was all Easter, and now it's all kind of summertime stuff.
Yep, boom.
So, gardening stuff,
Kind of the outside
goggles,
stuff.
swim stuff. We need to bring the mermaid tails down here.
Yep, eventually.
All of our bling hats have been replenished online, too.
Yep, bling hats, yep. Gotcha.
Like, this was in a random spot on the store, and I stuck it over here.
I don't even know what it is.
It's a kickboard for swimming.
Well, there you go.
So,
it's an avocado kickboard.
We have avocado purses, too. All right, so that's kind of what we've been doing. Thanks so much for joining us. If you're interested in anything that you see in the store, let us know. We'll try to throw it on the fire sale. That would be the quickest way, except for those makeup cases. We will make a listing for those if you want them. And so, anyway, thanks so much. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.